Hi everyone. So today we are going to talk about the page object model. So scenario, you find yourself writing the same locators and action code example for your login sequence. So repeatedly across the multiple test scripts and making maintenance a nightmare. So definition, the page object model is a design pattern that separates the UI elements and their corresponding actions from the text logic. So each web page is represented by its own class. So analogy, like think of it like a TV remote control. So the buttons on the remote, your page class methods are mapped to a specific function just once. In your test, you simply call these methods and press the button without needing to know the complex circuitry behind them. So sample code snippet, like how we are going to write down in the code. So locators are defined at the class by username equals to by.id username and by password equals to by.id password and by login button equals to by.id login button. So method encapsulates the login actions like public void login and string username and string password parameterized method. So driver.find element and username dot send keys and driver.find element password send keys and driver.find element login button dot click. So tip, always keep your elements locators like by.id username within their respective page classes. Never hardcode them directly into your test classes. So conclusion, adapting the POM is the secret to achieving the clean and reusable and highly scalable automation code. It's a POM magic. So common questions, what is the primary benefit of using the POM for the test maintenance? When an UI element locator changes, you only need to update it in the one place, the corresponding page class that prevents you from having to search and replace the locator across the multiple test scripts and saving the significant time and effort. So does every page in the application needs its own page class? So ideally, yes. So for better organization and maintainability, any page with the element that your test interacts with should have its own corresponding page class. This keeps the code logically structured and easily and to manage.